And today we're going to be checking out the Syma X20 Pocket toy drone. That's right, this is a beginner indoor drone that you can buzz around the house safely, and you can also teach yourself or let your kids learn how to fly drones with this little guy right here, and it's going to be super fun. Let's go ahead, we're going to bring the camera down, get a closer look and see what you get, and then we're going to fly it. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so here's your box right here. Go ahead and pop this open. And you're going to see a manual. You're going to see an accessory bag. Let's see what accessories we get. Probably the typical extra props and charger and screwdriver. That's what we're used to seeing. They do have the precision screwdriver. You do get a full set of replacement propellers, and you do get your charge cord for the drone itself. Speaking of the drone itself, here it is right here. I got the gold one. There are like 2 or 3 different colors, I think, maybe more. And you can see that this one is gold. It has white prop guards, white propellers. It has chrome accents on it, and it even has little rubber feet for landing. And it's got a Cyclops looking light on the front. Yeah, you can see it just kind of flashing. But we'll look at the lights more once we start flying this thing. You will need 4 AAA batteries. Here's the controller itself. You got some buttons up here. These are your little antennas. These are your flying sticks. You got the buttons here, and then you got your off and on switch right here. Let's go ahead and put some batteries in this thing, and we'll go over the functions. Alrighty, so we got our batteries in. You can see that you have a button up here. You have a 360 flip button. You have a high and low speed button. And if you push these both at the same time, that's going to be your takeoff and your landing buttons. Now, before you take off, if you push both sticks down and to the side, if the controller is facing you, it'll be down and to the right. Then it's going to calibrate the little drone so it'll fly more level. And then these are going to be your little trim buttons right here. So if it's drifting off to one side or the other, you can adjust your trims. So what I think we need to do is we're going to go ahead and get this thing powered up, and I'm going to show you how to do that real fast, and then we're going to fly it. You see it's flashing. We're going to turn this on. You're going to push this stick up and then down. We are now bound with the drone, and it's ready for takeoff. Do your calibration down and to the side. You see the lights flashing, and it is now calibrated and ready for takeoff. Let's fly it. So here we are. I'm going to try not to hit my mic up there. To take off, we're going to push up on the stick. It's activated the prop, and now we should be able to just push up, and you can see that it is now flying. Flies like any other drone. The left stick is up and down, and your Z-axis rotate. The right stick is backwards, forwards, right, and left. You can see how stable this little guy is. Make sure you charge your drone before you fly it. Let's charge it up and finish this. Okay, so we got her all charged up now. Now we're going to finish our little test flight. So we're going to go ahead and take back off. Very cool. Not too noisy. Easy to control and zippy. Now we're in an even faster mode. Old guys can still move. Alright, so let's try the flip button. Let me make sure that you can see it. It's not a very good idea to flip this low to the ground. Oh, there it goes. You gotta hold the button down and then push the direction you want to flip. Like that was a front flip. We'll do a back flip. Just like that. And then you can flip to the sides as well. I hope I don't regret this one. There you go. Did y'all see that one? Let's do it one more time. Nice and easy. So it's a super nice little flyer. It's got these cool LED lights, red in the front, green in the back. It's going to be great for those indoor activities and learning to fly. It's got all the safety features with the prop guards and everything. And yeah, no issues whatsoever. It looks cool. Pretty futuristic if you ask me. It's not too noisy, and it handles quite well. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.